What's up, guys? In this video I am going to talk to you about how to decide what kind of information product you should create, because you should definitely create an information product because it'll help you establish your brand and it will help build you as an authority in whatever niche you want. And I mentioned this in another video, but don't be scared if you don't think you are an expert, right? You really only need to know as much as the person you're teaching. You need to know more than the person you're teaching, right? So in general, there's 3 evergreen niches in the information product world, right? And colloquially, they're known as get laid, get paid, and get in shape, right? So if you can teach somebody something about relationships, about how to be attracted to the opposite sex, men or women, those are very popular. So that's get laid. Get paid is how to make money. Normally, these days, how to make money online is very popular, or how to generate leads for your business, or how to, make an information product, for example. So if you know of some way to make money online, that's also very possible. And the last one is get in shape. So if you're one of those types of people who's like a fitness person, it's very, that's a very attractive topic for a lot of people, because they don't know how to get in shape, right? Now, let's say, for the sake of argument, you are not good at any of those things. You're fat, you're terrible with girls, and you are broke, right? So what can you do, right? It's very easy. All you have to do is it's the same as rewriting an article, right? So let's say top 100 ways to make money online. All right, 100 ways to make money online easily and without investment, right? All you do, you click on a link like this, and I've never seen this before, so I have no idea what it is, right? And essentially what you do is there's a couple ways that you can do this, okay? You can either take this entire article and you can have it in front of you and essentially read it, right? And because it's a video, there's probably not a video about this, right? There's not a video with this exact transcript. So what you can do is you could say, hey guys, in this course, I'm going to teach you 100 ways to make money online. So the first way is to make money online with simple jobs, right? And I guess you could have this piece of paper in front of you, maybe not read it word for word, although you could. You can say here's the way that you guys can make money with simple jobs, right? Number 1, Swag Bucks. It's a great site if you're from the US, from Canada. It's really cool. I'll put a link in the description. This is probably an affiliate link, by the way. The next one is ClickSense. This is one of my favorite sites that you guys can use. It's really good for doing simple jobs. You get paid a couple bucks per job. The next one is Inbox Dollars. Okay, now this is another really good, you see what I'm doing here? Now I have no idea about anything to do with any of these sites, so I can't really say that much about them. But then again, there's 101 of these, and the idea with a piece of content or a course like this is that the user only really needs one good idea for them to run with and latch onto, for it to be worth their $7 or $20 or whatever you're charging them for it. Right, then you move on to the next one, make money blogging. Everybody knows that bloggers are super popular these days, and with the internet, people trust bloggers, so you can make money online as a blogger. How are some ways that you can do that? You can create a niche blog that talks about a certain topic. You can put AdSense ads on your blog. You can sell products through Amazon affiliate links on your blog, right? You make essentially a video about every single one of these, and then boom, at the end of it, you've got 100 different videos that are all how to make money online, and there you've got your course, right? Each video is 2 minutes long. Let's say that's 200 minutes. That's a massive course that just the fact that it's the sheer size of it is going to be worth money to some people, right? Now, another thing to keep in mind with information products is that not every single one needs to be university level education, right? Because a lot of this stuff, I'll bet you if we look through all of this, I'll bet you let's just go to a random section here. Okay, ad revenue system, resume writing. None of these are probably things that nobody's heard of, right? There's no unique ideas in here. You're essentially just listing ideas that people already know about. So what you're doing with information products is you're really just kind of reminding people what exists and maybe giving them an additional spin on how they can repackage that information with maybe a nice sales letter to make money themselves online. So yeah, like I said, I'm a very big fan of information products. I'm currently working on my first one right now. Should be done in about a week or so. And I'm totally stoked for that. And as soon as that's done, I'm literally going to make another one, because I think that the more products you have, the more credible you are. Just for this like simple reason that, like, if I see somebody that has 20 products, I'm gonna think to myself, wow, this person is an authority, even if I never actually have seen any of their products before, right? And then all of a sudden they come out with a new one, I'm more likely to buy that new product just because they already have 20 products out there, right? As opposed to somebody, let's say, who's trying to sell me a product that belongs to somebody else. Be like, oh yeah, this guy's product is really good, you should totally buy it. Be like, well, yeah, should I really trust your opinion? Like, you're just some guy, you know what I mean? So just a little like psychology for you right there. Definitely get into information products if you haven't yet. You can be an expert. Like, I'm sure there's something out there that you know enough about, or even if you don't, like, just use this strategy that I told you here. You know, another one, let's say like 100 foods for losing weight. 103 best weight loss foods according to nutritionists. Okay, now you can essentially, like, chili peppers, grapefruit, sauerkraut. These are not like foods that nobody's heard of or that somebody's going to see and be like, oh my God, I didn't know I can eat celery to lose weight. Like, wow, that's so revolutionary. Thank you for this like incredible info product that is like going to change the world. No, like, everybody knows if you eat celery, you're going to lose weight, 'cause it's like water and like fiber. Easy, right? So basically what I'm trying to say in this video is go make an information product. Just start on something. Sit in front of the computer, record yourself talking to your webcam. Like, have this open in front of you if you have to. And just literally get started on something. The more products you have, the better it's going to be. Cool. So if you guys have any questions about that, ask me in the comment section. If you guys want to see more totally awesome, groundbreaking, life-changing videos like this one, click subscribe. Peace.